So that's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come down over here to the front. You see we have a relief cut right here. You want to stretch that just past the very front of the edge. That's good. Now what you can do is you can take and squeegee down right along this side edge. There we go, that's good. Overlap squeegee strokes just to make sure we're not leaving any moisture behind. Squeegee just past the top, angled down. And then we're going to come back here. Try and go a little bit slower so you guys can see everything properly. You can squeegee down, you can squeegee to the side. As long as your squeegee is angled downwards, you'll be just fine. The great thing about the CYBERTRUCK is it allows you the flexibility to squeegee in different manners than you would normally on, say, like a Tesla Model Y or any other vehicle for that matter, where making sure you're using consistent squeegee angles makes a lot more sense or is a lot more important. So I don't see any stainless steel, that's fine. Now what I can do is I can take my squeegee and I can run along this body line with my squeegee angled outwards, and I can push all that solution out. Hey everyone, it's Eric here. Just really quickly want to interrupt this video and let you guys know if you have a CYBERTRUCK and you are interested in wrapping it in either our Defense Plus Clear, Defense Plus Matte, or Defense Plus Satin Black paint protection foam wraps, head to the link in the description below, use code CYBERTRUCK in all uppercase letters, and you can save 5% off your DIY wrap. Now back to the video. Let's come with the etching. This customer requested that we actually put the Foundation Series decal back there. That way when we squeegee over it, you can see that's there we go, that's good. Okay, that's good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and massage some of the air out, forth, until we're past this body line. And now we are. So, what we can do now is we're going to tack our bottom corners in place. So, I'm going to get some tack solution up here. And some tack solution right there. There we go, that's good. Now, Sarah, if you want to come around to this side, we're going to do the exact same thing over here. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to come back over here and we're going to work from the top all the way down just past this body line right here. So you'll notice that I'm stopping just before the body line. That is because if I continue right past, I can't get all this solution out of here and it just starts to build back up. So I'm going to take care of that later. But right now, we're just bringing everything right down to that body line. Now, I'm going to take my squeegee, I'm going to angle it on that body line. Now all I'm doing is same thing I did on the back, is just making sure I've got the consistent amount of wrap around the top. So that's good. I'm just gonna start over here, angling my squeegee down. Now, if all of a sudden you do this, it's because you have too much pressure on your squeegee, and that's fine. You can just take and get those fingers down. Now we're just going to keep coming back and forth with more pressure. I'm just going to take and squeegee everything down. And then we'll turn around and we'll start here. That's good. Now we're going to take and squeegee down this body line with the squeegee angled downwards to make sure that our solution is not being left behind and trapped on this body line. Perfect. Now we can take and squeegee everything else out. Before I want to do that, I'm just going to take my hand and make sure there's no air pockets or any sticking film that's sticking in an area it shouldn't be sticking. So that's good. We're going to start back over here. Sorry. And we're just going to squeegee straight down. Hey everyone, Eric here from Dry Protected. Are you new to the paint protection film industry? Are you looking to become more knowledgeable paint protection film installer? Consider subscribing to our membership page on YouTube today and learn more from me on how to become the best paint protection film installer that you can be.